Welcome to this preview of the hook, line, and crush it trading strategy. Learn a high momentum trading approach that gives you a big edge for high momentum follow through for capturing swings and hyper trends. So, this is another strategy in a line of strategies that looks to align ourselves and then yourself to help teach you how to align yourself with the tricks of the marketplace. You've probably heard over time how the marketplace lures traders in going one way, then is able to collapse the market the other way, collapse it upwards or downwards. All right, and so we figure eventually, as you get more experience, you figure that maybe I'm on the wrong side of the marketplace when I'm trying to get into these traps and always take the breakouts and have these exceedingly hopeful, dreamy trade profit aspirations. And just maybe let me look at what is actually going on with the price charts. What keeps happening over and over? How come these breakout movements don't happen most of the time? How come that when these breakout movements fail, they fail really hard the other way? All right, so with hook, line, and crush it, we have a very solid, simple and clear, you could say, approach for strategically identifying these types of moves that are sucker plays to the average trader out there, to the unexperienced trader, to those who don't know what's going on in the marketplace, to those who don't know what the marketplace is doing and what the marketplace likes to do, and to those who don't respect what the marketplace is doing. Look, the marketplace is the boss, right? The marketplace is there. It's going to do what it wants to do. And it's there to take your money. All right? You're there to take money out of the marketplace. So there's a conflict of interest here. All right? So when you enter the markets, you enter a battlefield. And most of that battlefield is on the mental and emotional side of things, right? So trading well is very much an inner game, although we do have to get our mechanics down pat. We do need to have exact entries and initial risk stop loss points clearly identified and set, and then we also need to have our method of profit taking in order to maximize our profit on average per move. And that profit maximization method needs to be good. And so as we look to encounter the markets, we look at things how they are. And when we start to realize that the marketplace is not your friend, okay? It's not there to give you donations. It's there to take all your money, all right? When you realize that, then you can adjust and address the marketplace as it is. But the marketplace does have friends, all right? The marketplace has friends, and those friends are those who are cool with the marketplace, who are cool with, maybe you can use the term Mr. Market, like Warren Buffett likes to use. You can call the marketplace whatever you want. You can call the marketplace Bubba if you want, all right? So whatever is going to work. The marketplace is boss. You can call the marketplace boss or hoss. How about that? So it's going to do whatever it wants, and the marketplace has to be respected, right? If you're going to respect the marketplace, you're going to be cordial with the marketplace, you're going to honor the way things go in the marketplace, and you are going to align yourself with the marketplace, Mr. Market, Hoss Boss is going to do, then you can be Mr. Marketplace's friend. And you can get on the side of the marketplace and align yourself to do the things the marketplace is going to do. So with a strategy like Hook, Line, and Crush It, you can be there. You can be there side by side with Mr. Marketplace, the Hoss Boss. And you can join in the massive profit taking. All right. So with this strategy, you're going to have an exact point of entry, an initial stop loss. It's good. That's of a good high probability setting for avoiding getting unnecessarily stopped out while clearly defining risk. Then you're going to have an exact profit taking method. And so you're going to see how that there are these powerful moves that can be very clearly identified, where the setup for these moves can be very clearly identified, so you can spot it, and you can spot this on your favorite stock, your favorite stocks. You can play options. You can use this with Forex, futures, cryptocurrencies, whatever. And you can use this method to put yourself in a very smart, high probability position to potentially crush it when you trade. So what does crushing it mean for those of you who don't know? Well, crush it's just this term where you're looking to do really well, super well, hit a home run, knock it out of the park. I think we use it in the gym a lot. I mean, more than other times. But I think a lot of people use the term crush it. So you can think of knocking it out of the park, making a big profit. Now, every move's not going to necessarily have this super duper dramatic profit, but many will, okay? And so we have to just position ourselves for these opportunities, right? But we can also use optimization factors, which we go over some in this course, and look to see if we can identify factors that will tell us which trades will be the biggest, okay? Which trades will be the most likely to give us a crush it type of move. Now, crushing it too can be really dramatic when you involve things, leveraged instruments like options. There are tons of these crush it, hook, line, and crush it moves on stocks. And if you know how to buy the right options with the appropriate expiration, which is just simply that you tune the amount of expiration or the time to expiration you need to your average move, time duration of that average move, and then you figure out the best case options. You want to go far in the money, or do you want to go further out in time and have less premium decay? And you can do things like that. Balance it out. What's going to be the best type of options position? Okay, you can use this on futures and Forex and so on and so on. Right? The main thing is that you need to learn this strategy and master it so you own it. All right? Own it means that you can use it on command whenever you want. Own it means that you are continually being aware of these hook, line, and crush it setups coming along, so you could simply pop on a position and ride the move. And sometimes maybe your money's tied up in this and that, or maybe you're making cash flow from other things and you need to put some money to work. Well, this is a great trading strategy to invest extra cash flow. Could be a tiny position at the start until you get used to a strategy such as this, and until you make sure you got it down pat and you worked out the mechanics. Or as you prove this strategy to yourself and your ability to trade it, you could then have more robust positions over time. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick preview about this strategy. It is very powerful. I would suggest you learn it and master it and see if you would like to put it to use over time. All right, thanks.